In this video, we'll do logistic regression in PyTorch. We can create a logistic regression object using the sequential method. In this case, we'll have a one-dimensional output and a one-dimensional input. Or we can create our own custom module. The output is always 1, and the input size depends on the input of your feature dimension. The only difference between linear regression is we add the sigmoid function in the forward function. And what this does is it will take our linear function and apply a sigmoid function to it. So we can use different lossless functions. We can use our mean square error, and we can use the built-in version of PyTorch, or we can use the cross entropy. And PyTorch also has a built-in function called BCE loss. We'll create a dataset object and a data loader object, and we'll create a logistic regression object. In this case, we'll use one input, and we'll use the SGD optimizer, and our input will be the model parameters, and we'll set a learning rate of 0.01. So in this case, we'll train the model. Nothing much has really changed from linear regression. In this example, we use 100 epochs. And so just a note, when we produce an output, our output values will be from 0 to 1. And if you want to get an actual class value, you have to perform some thresholding, and we do that in the lab. And you can choose your own way. And that's it.